Hey guys, so this quick video I'm going to show you how to change the antenna on a FG Cruiser Toyota. So basically you take the old rubber out with one of these blades and use this cloth to just clean a little bit here, like if you can, or use something else. And then just basically take this one, the new one, and just push it back like really well. Try to push hard. And you're gonna hear that click when it's locked in place, and then basically just take the old antenna and screw it in really well. You can put some grease in there so it's not gonna rust, and that's it basically. You just put it back and that's it. Should look like new. Yep, just like that. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and push this bell right here to get notifications when I upload new videos.